Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today is one of the easiest trading days. Reason why I'm saying is yesterday I clearly drew you this particular demand and gave it to you. I told market gave a positive closure. Tomorrow, if we get the market somewhere in this demand itself, we can plan a long position. I am not interested in put at all. I am interested in the market to take the market to higher positions. See how market beautifully worked as per our analysis and as per our prediction. Market opened slightly gap down, right? And market tapped into this demand. If this demand was supposed to fail, it would have broken this demand with pretty much big closures. I was wanting to see a small positive reaction candle from this demand. The moment I get this particular thing on the second minute itself, I planned a long entry here, keeping this demand's lowest point as my stop loss. And where is my entry? 24,983. Ideal to ideal target is the previous day's high, and we can extend point to 100 points. Always capture 100 points in the market and move out of the market. That's what I keep telling you every single day. If you capture 100 points in the market, 24,982 was our entry, 24,082 should be your target. Simple to simple, close the trade here. Don't extend the trade more than 100 points, especially during an expiry. That's all. Your trade should be closed here. Whatever fall happens, whatever rally happens after that should not be your concern. If you get 1:3 in a trade, simple, close it. Close it. Don't worry. I should have captured this trade. I should have captured the continuation trade. This was a target you said. This did not happen. I told this target if market opens flat and goes up, but market opened gap down. Hard to hard, market will move 100 points. Your goal should be to capture 100 points in the market every single day. If you just plan to capture 100 points in the market, that is more than enough for that particular day. Have that mindset. Don't go for like a greediness in the market, thinking like I should be millionaire today itself. I should make lakhs and lakhs of money today itself. Don't have that mindset. So what we see here as part of tomorrow's prediction, there is still gap left out here. There is still gap left down here. Okay, one of these gaps has to be filled in the coming days. Which one is going to be filled is what market is going to decide. Right now, yesterday market gave a positive closure. Today there was a rejection faced somewhere close to 24,100. I told this might be a rejection zone, so be very careful. 24,100 can act as a rejection zone, and exactly market reversed from there and gave a negative closure below yesterday's closing. Okay, this can be acting as a liquidity sweep also. If you go to slightly higher time frame of 4 hours or something of that sort, you see that this was swept without a closure, right? So tomorrow it's going to be very simple that for put position, the moment we get proper to proper closures below 24,000, 23,920. Okay, so this will be your continuation trade. 23,920, just mark a line here. Okay, this line is there, right? Just put a line out here, and if you get closures, 15 minutes closures, if market sustains below this with a closure properly, then we can expect a continuation till 23,750 on the downward range. Again, I'm saying this is a target, but your goal should be to capture 100 points. Don't extend your trade thinking like, okay, it can go till there. Day after tomorrow is an expiry. Sorry, is a holiday. Tomorrow is a Sensex expiry. So you have to consider all these factors. So for put position, the plan is simple. I want market to sustain below 23,920 for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I might be interested in a small pullback, and I will be capturing at least till 100 points. That is till 820 lowest point till this equilibrium. If market sustains below this, we can see an extended rally till 23,750 on the downward direction. What about upside? Upside is extremely going to be tough because the Iran war news is still prevailing in the market. Trump told like there is going to be a peace talk. That is why this gap up happened. Yesterday there was again a war, and that's why this negative reaction happened. So it is going in a news driven fashion. You need to understand this point very clearly. No matter who gave you prediction, no matter which channel gave you prediction, I am interested to take the market slightly down at least till here, because this gap is eventually likely to be filled for me. Okay, this is going to be for ideal trade. Don't plan 100 scenarios, don't follow 100 channels, just follow one strategy, one channel, and you do your own analysis. That is what I want you to become as an independent trader. You don't have to follow 100 channels, you don't have to pay some telegram groups, monthly subscription, 6 months subscription, lifelong free subscription. Don't do all that. It is not at all necessary. What they will do, I'll tell you. At 9:15, they will say, add these watch list to your add these contracts to your watch list. Okay. At 9:15, they will see prices going up. They will not see the chart. Okay, you think they are pro traders, but they will not see charts. Their only aim is to get your monthly subscription fees from you. They will say buy Nifty 24,000 CE at 50 rupees, and they will start putting rockets in the Telegram channel group. 55, 56, 58, 60, all that they will start putting, and you will think, okay, this group is making you money on a daily basis. You can also join this paid group. That's all hangama. Okay, they, by the time they will say 65, 70, when you go and see the actual price, it will be somewhere lingering around 56, 57 only, and you will think like, what happened? You will not even understand what happened, because those groups are all fake. Don't believe in all that. Okay, I have experienced that, and I don't want you to suffer through the same process again. That is the reason I am saying you again and again, don't fall for all these traps. So for 30 minutes, the plan is going to be simple. See here, if you see, there is a small indecision candle or a small supply zone which is sitting here. We have a negative change of character. So immediately, if market falls down, I'm interested. At least if I get a closure below today's low, it is going to be more ideal. Okay. Then on a small pullback, we can see the rally till here. This is case number one. Second case is if market opens flat and goes up, let it go up. Okay, I wanted to monitor this particular supply zone as to how it is going to react, how Nifty is going to react in the supply. If I get a small negative reaction from here, I am again interested to take the market down at least till today's closing, because this itself is going to give me 100 points, more than 100 points. That is enough for me. That should be your mindset. If market does not give this kind of a negative reaction, and if market rallies above like this, then we can see a extended target on the upside. But for call position, I'm going to keep my quantity size extremely small, because if you see here, this momentum is pretty good compared to this candles which is being printed. Momentum of selling is more, momentum of buying is very small. When the momentum of selling is more, you have to be focusing only on taking put trades, meaning you have to take the market down. That should be your goal. Momentum of call trades is small, meaning buying pressure is small in this. So that is the reason I'm saying I'll keep my quantity size small when the market is going up. I don't want it to fully leverage my entire capital in call position. Thank you so much for watching. We'll meet in the next educational video.